What a good start for the second half of the year for those stocks. We're going to talk about the realistic price action for them. Where you enter, where you exit to take a profit before the short will come in, because a lot of YouTubers and traders talking about the stock that going to the moon. I'm not going to take you to the moon because there's nothing there. There's no water, there's no oxygen. I'm going to take you somewhere better. So let's get right to it and dive right into the price action and discuss those stocks. First one, we have TBLT. This one have double top around the $9.32. Last time we talked about it, we said here where the short are shorting TBLT, we need to overcome this level in order to go to the target area, the realistic price action for TBLT, which is the 1334. However, today we have a massive fight between the short and the bull, and the short kind of won the game for today, just for today, around the $9.32 level. Now we have a support to confirm the squeeze and breaking the $9.32 for this week, which is holding above this level of this gap. Because if we see back in time, we have three gaps here around the 28th of July and here around the 29th of July. Then we have it today. So this is a good reaction, shows there's a buying pressure happening for TBLT and still holding a new support every day. So we need holding this gap in order to have a breakout for tomorrow or this week around the $9.32. And the last bottom, even if the short is really heavily shorted TBLT around the $9.32, is the $6.37. Any price above it is still in big picture, is still bullish. Okay, the next up we have govx. Oh man, this one is really crazy. We got a lot of requests on our live streaming last Friday, because we always do live streaming at 8 p.m. European Central Time. You have to check this out. If you have any question regarding stock request, you can go there on the live chat section and ask me there. We held the $2.42 because this is the support that we suggest last week to hold above it, and we tested around Friday. This was a good reaction. That's why we have the gap and the price jumped. Now we have the support around the $3.34. If we held it this week, we're gonna have the test or the realistic price action for govx is around the $5.42. And again, if you want to load up for the second half of the year, because we have really volatility of a lot of stock, you can get a free share of AZO on Momo, because it's summer exclusive and you can get up to 10 free stocks on Momo. One of the other stock that you can win with AZO is Apple, Tesla, and Fusel Energy, AMC, and DKNG. And this is a limited offer extended until 7th of August. And how you can win these free stocks: you open an account with Momo. Second, you just deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between the $8 up to $2,500. So use this opportunity and use my exclusive link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to have the free share of AZO. Let me just go back and check the other stock that we're gonna talk about today. Next up we have TNXP. This one as well held our support from the last week after we got rejected from our resistance at $2.19, and we have a nice gap today and we held this gap. Now we have a small level to overcome around this level. You see it in smaller picture below the $2. So this will give us like the first signal for ignition for TNXP. Hopefully for TNXP today closing above the $2. This would be a nice reaction and a good signal for volatility for tomorrow to break the $2.19. Like I'm watching now, I already put my alert, because if we got rejected, we continue to go down for tomorrow around the $1.80. This would be a nice support, because it's still in the big picture. We still have this ascending line to hold, and any price holding this ascending line, we're still in bullish trend, and we're gonna have the break for the $2.19. However, the best case scenario is closing today around the $2. Tomorrow we're gonna have the volatility to break the $2.19 and going toward the realistic price level, which is for me the $2.98 before the $3. The next up we have rdbx is testing our critical level of resistance around the $5.19. Let me just go in 1 hour chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candle is kind of rejected precisely around our level, which is the $5.19 that we talked about last week. If you watch our video, we did update for rdbx and we talked about this level. We said we need to overcome it to enter another jump for rdbx to go around the $9 coming days or weeks to enter another phase of squeezing, like what happened here after we test the $2.70. You see what's happened? We have a nice jump, almost 100% or 140%. We're gonna have this other level of squeeze first when we hold above the $5.20, and we're gonna jump almost 65%, and the other one will be happening over this level of resistance around the $9.12, where we're gonna see another squeeze around the 14. So I'm watching now rdbx. If we close above the $5.20, we're gonna initiate a trade here. Otherwise the price will continue to go down nearing this box for rdbx. Hopefully that was clear. So let's get ready to hunt, and again, remember, never run after the price. Let the price come to you. So see you in the next video.